Introducing the Narwal Freo X Ultra, the pinnacle of hands-free cleaning innovation. Say goodbye to mundane chores and hello to spotless floors with this intelligent robot vacuum and mop combo. Experience unparalleled cleanliness with 8,200 PA suction power. From stubborn stains to buried debris, the Freo X Ultra tackles it all, leaving hard floors and carpets pristine without compromising convenience. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the zero-tangling brush. Say farewell to hair and pet fur entanglements as they are effortlessly whisked away into the dust bag, ensuring hassle-free operation every time. Achieve sparkling floors with the patented Rouleau's robot mop heads. Equipped with AI dirt sense technology, the Freo X Ultra knows when your floors are clean and keeps scrubbing until they shine, reaching every corner with precision. Maximize convenience with the maintenance-free docking station. From automatic washing and drying of mops to self-cleaning functionality, this base station ensures your Freo X Ultra is always ready for action. Elevate your cleaning experience with the Narwal Freo X Ultra, the epitome of efficiency, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. Say hello to a cleaner home with just the touch of a button.